Hi guys! Welcome back for another unboxing episode. For today's unboxing is one of the most highly anticipated sneakers of the year. But before that, if you haven't subscribed on my channels yet, just click the subscribe and the bell button for you to notify if I have new videos like this. Welcome back to my channel. So this is the Dior sneaker. We're waiting for this last week pa, and then it just arrived lang last 3 days ago. The bags are here finally. Can't wait to unbox this. So let's see. So let's open. Okay, well, the box is heavy. There. So this is the Dior box. So as you can see, I believe that. Sorry. Okay. So this is the Dior sneaker box. So as you can see, it's all wrapped up in plastic. The retail value of this sneakers is $2,200 for the high cut and $2,000 for the low cut. But did you know, in the market, they selling it for $10,000. Let me check. They are selling it for $10,375 for the high and $7,103 for the low cut. But it depends on your size actually. Like, let's see, for me, I'm size 7, so the price for size 7 is, wow, $25,000 for the high cut and $7,950,000 for the low cut. Wow, that's so expensive. Do you think is it worth it? Or do you think this is the sneaker of the year? For sure, this shoes is definitely a collectibles. Well, let's find out. Are you ready to unbox this? So, let's see what I got. Is it a high or a low? Let's open this. Okay, since it's raining outside, I decided to shoot this inside the house. So, bloopers. So, I got here the low cut, and it's limited to 8,500 pairs only. I think they release 4,500 or 4,700 for the low and the rest for the high cut. I've got a lot of Jordan sneakers, but this one is the best because of craftsmanship, and they meticulously handcrafted this with premium Italian leather. I love this Dior obliques details and the swoosh there, and the tongue also there, the Dior Dior sa tongue. And then if you will notice, hindi kasi siya kita actually sa camera eh. Yung sa tongue niya, may mga pattern siya na Dior. So, hindi lang siya masyadong kita sa camera, guys. But, ang cute din nung tongue niya. And then, I love also this icy sole. I called it icy sole. So, with the name brand Dior. And then, sa other side naman ng sole is the iconic Jumpman Wings logo. There you go. Diba ang cute? Ayan. There. Oops. Ayan. Diba? Super nice. And the insole is super cute also. Look. Ayan o. Naka-emboss ang Dior sa insole. How nice. And yes, may free ano siya, shoelace. Yeah, one free shoelace white. You know what? I would love to sana they put Dior here and the shoelaces. So I think mas better yun, diba? And then ayan, they have also keychain, maliit na keychain. So yeah, that one. Jordan. And the one more keychain. This one, the iconic Jumpman Wings logo, like on my shirt. Look, diba? And then actually I prefer the low kesa sa high cut kasi I'm petite kasi, mababa ako, so I'm short. And then pag I think for me, yung high cut, if I wear this, parang mas lalo akong liliit, mas mumukha akong short. But with this low cut, parang hindi halata na short lang yung height ko, diba? So mas prefer ko ang low cut talaga compare sa high cut. Definitely, this is going to be the hottest and fashion and streetwear. Actually, before pa naman siya release, I saw a lot of photos now wearing this, the high cut, in the streetwear, and it's super duper cool actually. So I can't wait to pair this with my style. I think I can see myself wearing this with a suit, the blazer and pants, crop pants, or I can wear this casual, like a loose t-shirt and cycling short, and with dresses. Actually, I can wear this also with the dresses. So yeah. yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment below. I will see you soon again, guys. Bye! And isali natin tong makulit na to. Say hi, love. Say hi. Flying kiss. Show your face. Show your face. Show your face. Show your face. Smile. You love these shoes. You like these shoes, love. You love it? You love it? Get it. Come on. Okay. Yeah.